Ready? Okay, look. I'm going to show you something really neat. Max, watch. This is going to be... Oh, this one's out of my... Hey, no, Max.
What is this?
Hold on. Okay. Put both of those big ones in that big jar.
This big jar?
Yep.
What does it do?
It's Alka-Seltzer. It's supposed to be like a little homemade lava lamp.
Does it feel like lava?
No. You know what a lava lamp is, though? Those things that, like, you know,
But that's a lava lamp. That's a poison lamp. What's a poison lamp?
It's not poison.
Wow, experiment. That's an experiment. It's something for science.
Yeah, I thought you might like it.
There's still more.
Pour the rest.
We could pour this into there. That'd be even more awesome. Right?
Yeah, well, I think the Alka-Seltzer had just about wore out. Yep.
What happens if it touches you?
Oh, nothing. It's not harmful. It's just neat.